Hi guys, welcome to Vlogmas day 2. So anyways, today is a Christmas shopping day, which means I'm gonna go shop for Christmas, and I already have a list, but I think I'm gonna do 2 or 3 videos for like the Christmas shopping, just because I don't want to get I don't want to buy all of the Christmas that I have in my list in one day, because that's kind of like a lot and expensive. So I'm gonna like break them down into like 2 to 3 trips, and I'm also doing like online shopping as well. So yes, but right now I want to go to Target and just shop around and see what I can get. And I'm also want to go to Marshall's maybe, because I want to get more sweaters, because it's getting cold. So I want to get more just the basic sweaters, and also like this how do you call this, like a hood, like a zip hood. So yeah, I want to get those, and also some PJs and some, if I can find a Nike sock at Marshall's, that would be amazing. But yes, I'll be shopping today, so you guys are gonna come with me. It's gonna be amazing. Plus I'll be vlogging. Also, the bag that I'm using today is from Angela Roy. This is the, I believe, the Zuri bag. So yes, I'm using or wearing it today. Okay, there you go. I still have to put my whatchamacallit, the thing for the camera, because I will, like I said, I'll be start vlogging more often about this Vlogmas, and I want to be able to talk to you guys while I'm also driving. So yes, I really love this bag, because I always like, every time, like a running errand type of bag. There's actually comes with 2 how do you call this, strap. So this is the long one for crossbody, and the other one is for like shoulder strap. So yeah, if you guys are interested on this bag, I will leave the link on my description box below if you guys want to check it out. But yeah, I love this bag. It's like my go-to, almost like everyday running errand bag. But yeah, it's from the brand Angela Roy. So let's just go, because I want to go to like 2 or 3 different stores today, and it's already kind of late, so I want to go early as I can. Okay guys, I'm here at Target parking lot. I just parked, and by the way, the face mask that I'm wearing today is from Skims. I got like the whole 8-pack, and I freaking love this face mask so much. But anyways, I'm here already. Just gotta make sure I got my mask, hand sanitizer, my phone, my wallet. I'm using my wallet is here. Also, I have my key pouch actually. I just gotta put my keys in here. They have this nice rib leggings for 18 bucks or 19 bucks. It's so cute and comfy. And they even have it's like a jacket, hoodie, actually, not jacket, hoodie. It's so cute. I like the color. They even have the white one as well. Look at this. Oh, this is so cute. We have a lot of 2021 planners already, which is, I already have one, but oh my goodness, so cute. Okay guys, so I didn't really vlog on the freaking camera, but I did vlog on my just phone, because there's so much people inside Target, and I just couldn't like get my camera to vlog. Plus there was like workers everywhere and I'm kind of like scared that they're probably gonna say something because, you know, like I'm recording. But oh my god, they have so many freaking deals and they have so many like Christmas stuff already, and I cannot wait. Well, I cannot really like show you guys what I got from Target just because some of these are like Christmas gifts that I will be giving to my family, friends, so I can't really like show it to you guys. But yeah, I got a couple of stuff from Target for my family and friends, and I cannot wait to wrap them. So yeah, I just got a few stuff from the Target, and now I'm heading up to Marshall's because Marshall's do close at 8, so I have like plenty of time. So I'm gonna go to Marshall's. Hopefully I can buy some basic like hoodies and like jackets because I needed one. Plus I have a gift card from Marshall, so I can like use the $25 gift card from Marshall's that I have. So yeah, I will, hopefully I can vlog at Marshall's. Hopefully that there's not too many people there, because if not, I'll just vlog again on my phone. Finally. That's already made. If you guys are like last minute shopping, they have this Starbucks hot cocoa with a mug. Cute. Men's section. They have a lot of on sale, full of boxers and they even have this one. They have this sleepwear as well. So if you have like a boyfriend or a husband, you can give them some cookies. What's the real price? Because I know it's not $40. And it says to and from. They're only like $10. Okay guys, I have a lot of stuff from Marshall's, and why is it so hard not to show you guys? But anyways, I got a couple, not a couple, but a lot of stuff from Marshall. So I'm baking the banana bread and I cannot wait because I haven't ate or bake banana bread for like a hot minute now. And also I love buying banana breads, especially when I went to this Amish market. Oh my goodness, for some reason their banana bread tastes really different and it tastes so freaking good. I don't know if it's Dutch, I don't know how or what they put in that banana bread when I buy it to the Amish people, but it's freaking good. And also I'm gonna watch this show, which is The Crown. It's about Princess Diana. Oh my goodness, it's all over my TikTok. It's like all over my For You page, and I'm gonna like legit watch it after my banana bread is done so I can, you know, have food. And I'll just eat dinner. My husband made some steak and some potato, which is freaking amazing. It tastes good as well. Alright loves, so I'm gonna end the vlog here because I'm gonna watch The Crown right now. I'm in season 1, episode 1, and I'm currently munching on my banana bread, which is freaking amazing. It tastes out good. It turned out really good. And anyways, just some water. So yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow because it's gonna be another Vlogmas tomorrow. And yeah, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.